What's the name of this river, honey?
Well, this is just Noosa Everglades. This isn't a river.
Oh, I have been paddling. So you're doing all the work. Yeah, but you have to change sides. Yeah.
Look at those gorgeous
Water lilies, yeah. It's a little bit like Vietnam, isn't it?
yeah.